A new sphere for HR technology and design teams is on the skyline. HR is being impelled to undertake a huge responsibility in helping organizations to be digital, not just do digital. Hello friends, and you're watching Learn Transformation. In this video, we're going to talk about HR digital transformation and what are different steps and stages for HR digital transformation in 2021. So let's get going. HR transformation is the process of fundamentally rethinking and recharting the HR function in the organization. What is digital HR transformation? It's the process of changing operational HR processes to become automated and data-driven. According to Deloitte's 2017 Human Capital Trends report, it's about HR teams taking up the dual challenge of transforming HR operations on one hand and transforming the workforce and the way work is done on the other hand. Let's have a look on digital HR transformation challenges in 2021. HR departments often face conflicting expectations from the different groups they serve, like from senior executives, union representatives, customers, investors, workers, and so on. There is no one right choice for HR transformation, but there are some common choices for what HR should do. The first choice is HR could focus on performance consulting. If HR professionals do that, they become the go-to people to help operating managers address people problems they face in getting the organization's work done. Next, HR could focus on ethics. Third choice is HR could focus on talent management. Even some experts predict that it's the future of HR. And the final choice is HR could focus on organization development and change management. Here are 6 different stages of digital HR transformation. Let's have a look on one by one. First stage is business as usual. As the name suggests, in this stage, business follow a tried and tested formula and there is no space for experimentation. Next up is present and active. You should conduct few experiments during this stage as it drives digital literacy and creativity. Third one is formalized. This is where the business relevance comes in. If it's not relevant for the business, then the leadership shouldn't support it. Next up is strategic. During this stage, individuals collaborate with one another as they realize collaboration power. Their shared effort and insights lead to new strategic roadmaps. Next up is conversed. This is where a dedicated digital transformation team is formed to guide the company's strategy and operations. At this stage, you are ready to transform your business digitally and reap all its benefits. And the last stage is innovative and adaptive. Digital transformation has become the new business as usual and a new ecosystem is established. Let's have a look on different steps for digital HR transformation in 2021. First step is establish a clear goal. Before going off on a big transformational HR journey, you should establish a clear defined goal which makes sense from the business perspective. Second, get everyone on board. It means all the stakeholders from employees to C-suite and everyone in between. When it comes to digital HR transformation, you need all the support you can get in to become success. Don't overcomplicate things. Always start simple and small. Look at those areas of HR processes that could do with a digital makeover, like pre-selection and recruitment, learning and development, payroll management, and so on. Prioritize ideas. Prioritize your ideas based on impact and effort. The former meaning the business impact of digitalizing the ideas, and the latter meaning the time and money it would take to actually get the ideas to go digital. Next, assess performance. Of course, trying digital technologies is great, but doesn't make much sense if we don't look at their result. So we need to critically assess what works and what doesn't. After all, the only way for us to advance is to solve actual problems with technological solutions that truly solve these problems. In the end, culture is important. Digital technology alone is not enough for an HR transformation. It's about the mindset of everyone involved, and that has everything to do with your company culture. Now the question arises, why HR digital transformation is a must-have. Whether you like it or not, an HR digital transformation is not optional. In a world that's digitalizing at a fast pace, with consumers/employees that don't know any better than for virtually anything in their lives to be digital, HR and employers simply can't stay behind. Thanks for watching right till the end. I hope you got some valuable information about digital HR transformation, and if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos on transformation. You can also visit our website where you can publish your articles, stories and blogs and raise your voice across world. You can also catch us on other social media handle. Till then, take care.